What if I told you that you could start making money online today, without a degree, without a big investment, and even without experience? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stick with me, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you real, proven ways people in the US and UK are making money online right now, and how you can start too. Making money online is no longer just a side hustle. For many people, it's their full-time income. The internet has opened doors that didn't exist before. Whether you want extra cash or complete financial freedom, there are opportunities waiting for you. But here's the truth. Most people fail because they follow outdated advice or chase get-rich-quick schemes. That's not what we're doing here. Today, I'll break down simple, realistic methods that actually work. Let's get started. Freelancing. Start with skills you already have. The fastest way to make money online is by offering a service. Think about it. What can you do right now? Writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, even data entry. These skills are in demand. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork allow you to connect with clients globally. Businesses in the US and UK are constantly looking for freelancers to handle tasks. Here's the key. Don't wait to be perfect. Start small. Offer a basic service, build your profile, and collect reviews. Once you gain trust, you can increase your prices. Many beginners start earning within weeks, and with consistency, you can turn freelancing into a steady income stream. Content creation. Turn attention into money. YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are massive platforms where creators earn through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You don't need expensive equipment. Your smartphone is enough to start. Pick a niche: finance, fitness, tech, motivation, or even storytelling. Stay consistent and focus on providing value. Here's the secret. People don't follow perfection, they follow authenticity. Once your audience grows, brands will start reaching out to you, and that's when the real money begins. Affiliate marketing. Earn while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is one of the most scalable ways to earn online. You promote a product or service, and when someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Simple, right? You can promote products through blogs, YouTube videos, or even social media. For example, if you review a product and share your honest opinion, people trust you. When they purchase through your link, you get paid. The best part? You don't need to create your own product. Focus on products that solve real problems. Build trust first, and the money will follow. Digital products. High profit, low cost. Digital products are one of the smartest ways to make money online. Why? Because you create once and sell multiple times. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, or guides. If you have knowledge in any area, fitness, marketing, cooking, or even gaming, you can turn it into a product. Platforms like Gumroad or Shopify make it easy to sell worldwide. The profit margins are high because there's no inventory or shipping cost. Once your product is live, it can generate income passively. E-commerce and dropshipping. E-commerce is another popular method, especially in the US and UK markets. With dropshipping, you don't need to keep inventory. You simply create an online store, list products, and when someone orders, the supplier ships it directly to the customer. Platforms like Shopify make it beginner-friendly. But here's the reality. Competition is high. To succeed, focus on branding, marketing, and customer experience. Don't just sell random products. Build a brand people can trust. Remote jobs. Stable online income. If you prefer stability over risk, remote jobs are a great option. Companies are hiring for roles like customer support, virtual assistants, data analysts, and more. Websites like Indeed and LinkedIn list thousands of remote opportunities. The benefit? You get a fixed income while working from home. This is perfect if you want a secure way to earn online without building a business from scratch. Stock content. Earn from creativity. If you're creative, you can make money by selling stock photos, videos, or music. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock allow you to upload your content and earn royalties. Every time someone downloads your work, you get paid. It may take time to build a portfolio, but once it grows, it can become a passive income source. Online tutoring and coaching. If you're good at teaching, this is a gold mine. Students in the US and UK are willing to pay for online tutoring in subjects like math, English, or even skills like coding. You can teach through platforms or create your own sessions using Zoom. Coaching is also in demand. Fitness coaching, business coaching, mindset coaching. People pay for results. If you can help them achieve something, you can build a strong income. Print on demand. Sell without inventory. Print on demand is similar to dropshipping but focused on custom products. You design t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or phone cases, and when someone orders, the platform prints and ships it directly to the customer. Platforms like Printful and Teespring make it beginner-friendly. Your job is to create designs and market them. If your designs connect with people, you can build a brand and generate consistent sales. The real truth about making money online. Let's be honest for a moment. Making money online is not instant. It takes time, effort, and consistency. Most people quit too early. They try something for a week, see no results, and give up. But the ones who succeed are the ones who stay consistent, keep learning, and adapt. You don't need to do everything. Pick one method, focus on it, and improve daily. That's how real success happens. So now you know the real ways to make money online. No scams, no shortcuts, just proven methods. The question is, what are you going to do next? Are you going to keep watching, or are you going to take action? Start small, stay consistent, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video